Thanks for joining us this evening. We'll go straight to the updated COVID-19 statistics from Saline County Health Department. Sadly, they say they have been notified of one additional death due to COVID-19, and that's since the last update on December 18th. 47 members of the community have lost their lives to the virus. There have been 116 new positive COVID-19 cases since Friday, and the total number of positive cases for Saline County has gone up to 3,749. The health department staff are now actively monitoring 1,494 cases. They say at least 2,208 have recovered. Salina Regional Health Center has notified Saline County Health Department that they have 42 hospitalized patients because of COVID-19. And now we go to looking at the graphs we have available to us. Total positive cases, we'll go ahead and look at that one again today. In the orange line going up, you can see it doesn't look as sharp as it once was. Those are total cases. And then the blue bar graph underneath, those are cases added. Going to the next one, where this is a sign of active cases. The yellow line we've been tracing over the weeks, you can see that it had a sharp spike and then it went down, and now it is not as high. So I know that must be good news for the Saline County Health Department. Those are active cases in the yellow, and then cases added per day are in the blue line graphs underneath. As we said, Salina Regional Health Center has reported they have 42 hospitalized patients, and that shows them with a slight drop down in how many numbers they have in the hospital, which I'm sure is taking some pressure off of them as well. And further information from the Saline County Health Department, they like to remind us that it is an evolving situation. You should continue to follow official sources to obtain the most accurate information possible. If you have tested positive or you are known to be a close contact, please do not call the health department unless it has been at least 5 days since you have received your results and have not heard from the health department. They understand that employers and employees quarantine or isolation documentation may be necessary to verify a leave of absence, but you are to refer to the FAQ section of saline.org coronavirus for additional questions. Health department staff is continuing to be overwhelmed and is behind, but they are working as quickly as possible. They have added staff and are continuing to work as best they can. Now let's go ahead and look at our weather forecast from the National Weather Service. We'll take a look at the next 3 days as it's going to look basically over the state and in our area. Well above normal temperatures are expected Tuesday with highs in the lower 60s, and then much colder air will arrive for Wednesday along with very strong northwest winds. On Tuesday, it is going to be quite windy. There's a very high fire danger. Dry, low levels and gusty south winds will elevate the grassland fire danger into the very high category on Tuesday afternoon. Outdoor burning is highly discouraged, and you can see it looks like Salina is just barely in that. So want to be careful and not do any burning, and just remember it's going to be very windy. As we look on to Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, seasonal temperatures, mostly sunny skies are expected for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. No sign of snow, but at least it's a bit cooler, feels a little bit more like Christmas. We'll go ahead and take a look more closely at our region here. We can look at tonight as being clear with a low around 36. It will stay calm wind, and Tuesday sunny with a high near 64. A lovely day to get outside, out and about, finish up Christmas shopping, go on walks with relatives if anybody's here, and definitely get some of that fresh air. It will begin to be breezy with a south wind of 20 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly clear. It'll drop down to 34. becoming breezy with a northwest wind after midnight. Wednesday, mostly sunny with a high near 43, windy, and then it is gusting up to as high as 38 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear with a low around 20, blustery with a northwest wind 19 to 24 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny, and you can see the high is only going to be 38. Thursday night, clear, a cold low actually, of 17. And then Christmas Day, sunny with a high near 51. Friday night then, mostly clear with a low of 27. That's your Salina Media Connection News Desk. Thanks for joining us.